quick video. Today I'm going to be installing a new front fog light on my car because my old one unfortunately cracked open. Cost about 40 quid on eBay. Took it right out from there. Only requires a torque bit, plastic prior, so hopefully it's an easy job. This is a brand new fog light. Took the original bulb out from my existing fog light. Remove this. Spin this orientation. Should not an issue. So the old bulb, this housing here, is blocked by this plastic bit here. So I need to pry this off. Alright guys, it took me about 2 seconds to snap this plastic bit off. So the original bulb should fit in nicely now, like so.